Hello guys, welcome to Unbox News with the Winnie. Yes, that's me, exactly. Well, this time I am in Las Vegas. If you are following on Unbox News or on my private account, you know that I am in Las Vegas. And just for you guys, CES 2020 in Las Vegas. Yes, quite amazing. Yes. So let's begin this journey. The part 1 of the video is about the backstage. Alright, so first it's a huge place. You have to work a lot, and as you know, there is a lot of categories for technology. So you have laptop, desktop, gaming, anything related to technology. Well, you will have it in this CES 2020. So what I did is I went to the biggest companies. So you have the LG, Samsung, where they hide everything, but I got a sneak peek. And we have the GoPro company, and of course that surprised me, the Huawei booth. And of course this year's the most famous, the 8K TVs. But that's not it, because I found out this company who they're doing a transparent screen. What you have else? TCL, you have a lot of big companies. Some of them it's boxed, so if you are big YouTubers or a big influencer, you have the chance to go inside this box and discover what is new. So MSI too, they were there, and you know guys that I like MSI because I'm editing on MSI, but not on the trip. But anyway, so MSI, they showcase the most epic laptops and other stuff, and I will get more in details in the next videos. And of course you have Razer for the gaming, so it's a little boost, but I mean it's quite nice to just the name is big enough. Thermaltake, they showcase a lot of RGB desktop, where I just shot one shot, but two more guys. There will be a lot of people, and I will give you the most details about MSI, Thermaltake, Lenovo, Dell, all the brands technology. And of course if you need details, just comment down below. So subscribe, be sure to watch for the best tech CES 2020. And of course I didn't forget about the Unbox News giveaway. So go to Instagram Unbox News and on Twitter to check if you won. So for now, until the next video, until tomorrow, I'm gonna enjoy my jumping on the bed. Yes, thank you for watching and see you soon. Peace.